Imagine you are worried about an older friend or family member who seems unable to care for themselves, or perhaps you suspect they are being taken advantage of. It is a stressful situation, and knowing where to turn for help can make all the difference. When faced with such concerns, a crucial resource often comes to mind: Adult Protective Services. Adult Protective Services, or a PS, is a vital state program designed to protect vulnerable adults from abuse, neglect, and exploitation. Their primary power lies in their ability to investigate reports of suspected harm to adults who are unable to protect themselves due to mental or physical limitations. They do not have arrest powers, nor can they force someone to accept services without a court order, but they can assess situations and coordinate help. The authority of Adult Protective Services stems from state laws that mandate the protection of vulnerable adults. These laws grant a PS the power to receive and investigate reports, interview individuals involved, and assess the adult's capacity to make decisions and their need for protective services. They act as a critical safety net, stepping in when an adult, due to age or disability, cannot safeguard their own well-being. Their focus is always on the least restrictive intervention necessary to ensure safety and prevent further harm. If you report a concern, a PS will typically initiate an investigation. This process involves gathering information, often by visiting the adult at home, interviewing them, and speaking with family members, caregivers, and other professionals, all while trying to maintain confidentiality. After their assessment, a PS can offer a range of services. This might include connecting the individual with medical care, housing assistance, financial management services, or legal. They can also facilitate petitions to the court for guardianship or conservatorship if the adult is found to lack the capacity to make their own decisions and has no suitable alternative decision-maker. An interesting aspect of a PS work is their role in cases of self-neglect, where an adult is unable to provide for their own essential needs, leading to serious risk. Unlike Child Protective Services, which can more readily remove a child from a dangerous situation, a PS prioritizes the adult's right to self-determination, even if it means making choices that seem unwise to others. Intervention only occurs when there is clear evidence of harm and the adult lacks the mental capacity to understand the consequences of their actions. This commitment to autonomy, while ensuring safety, truly sets them apart from law enforcement agencies, whose primary role is to enforce criminal laws. Understanding the powers and limitations of Adult Protective Services means recognizing them as a compassionate and essential resource, rather than an enforcement agency. They are there to investigate concerns, assess needs, and connect vulnerable adults with the support and services they requiring, always striving to uphold the individual's dignity and choices. Knowing their role can empower you to help protect those who may be unable to protect themselves, ensuring peace of mind and safety for our most vulnerable community members.